This is a video to show you a sweet little aftercare product you can give your clients after doing their lashes. And this is particularly to look after their lashes. It's a mascara wand in a container. So I'll show you what you need to make them and where you can get the supplies from, and I'll show you how to put everything together today in this video. You'll need some plastic test tubes. The ones I am using, they are 100mm in length. When you include the 10mm stopper, which is like a lid, you can easily fit in a 100mm mascara wand. You can get these from Designer Lashes or Amazon. You need mascara wands or spoolies, and you need 12mm gemstones. You can get these from Etsy, Amazon, and also from Designer Lashes. So this is a unicorn topper. This is just one of the designs you can choose. You've got gems, you've got pretty little gold flake toppers, rose quartz, amethyst, daisies, so many options for the different toppers you can choose. Take the stopper off the tube and then turn the stopper upside down. This is where we're going to create a hole in the bottom of the stopper, and this is the top of the stopper where we're going to stick a little decorative gem on top. Using smaller sized scissors, poke a hole through the bottom in 2 different directions, creating a cross. Then with the scissors in the hole, turn the lid to shave out a hole shape. This is where the mascara wand will be pushed in so that the stopper becomes a handle to the wand. There are 2 different ways to proceed with the completion of the lid. You can either completely fill up the lid with glue gun glue and secure the wand into the lid. If you completely fill the lid when the mascara wand is poked through the stopper, then you'll find that you are going to secure the wand into the lid and this will not be able to be removed. So if you want to give the option of putting in a fresh mascara brush when a new mascara brush is needed, you can actually limit the glue to the rim of the stopper and secure your decorative gem this way. This means the mascara wand can be removed from the stopper and can be changed to a fresh wand when needed. I have found that there are 2 types of glue methods needed for different types of gems. Where the gems have no paper or wax-like bottoms on them, then you can actually stick the whole gem by just applying the glue from the glue gun around the rim of the lid. However, gems with the printed base, they actually need the whole stopper to be filled with glue in order to stick, or you can use a stronger glue like a super glue around the rim of the stopper lid. So these are great to give to clients as aftercare to look after their lashes. So you're basically keeping the wand in a sealed tube so that your client can travel with a clean spoolie in their bag or in their pocket or wherever they want to store it. You can have heaps of fun creating these for your clients. You can colour match them. You can get different spoolies. You can even get different size test tubes. You can even cut the end off the mascara wand to make them a mini size. So you have a lot of options and you can have a lot of fun, and depending on where you source your products from, you could be spending as little as under $1 on this product in order to provide it to your client. You could give them away free, you could charge for them. It just adds that extra to your aftercare. They don't take long at all to make. They're really easy to put together, and they are just a really extra special touch to give as an option for aftercare for your clients. In my case, by buying my products through Designer Lashes, I purchased 10 test tube pieces for $8 New Zealand. I bought 10 pieces of gem toppers for $4. In some cases, some like rose quartz or amethyst, that was $2 per piece. You can look on Amazon as well. You can find the test tubes for 50 pieces for $10.99. Just depending on how fast you want to get your product. Also on some sites they're already pre-made for you, but you're spending a bit more. Maybe for 10-20 pieces you might be spending $25, but they're all pre-made. Thanks for watching, dreamers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video, and check out my other lash videos. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.